Here we need to simplify each of these sums of algebraic fractions into a single fraction. So to do this, we're going to remember that to add fractions we need a common denominator. So the common denominator here is going to be x plus 1 times by x minus 2. So we're going to have two fractions with that as the denominator. That is the common denominator because it is the product of these two things. We might sometimes be able to find a lower common denominator, but that will always be a common denominator. Now, what did I have to multiply the x plus 1 by to get to that? It was x minus 2. So to not change the value of this fraction, to make sure it's an equivalent fraction, I also need to multiply the top by x minus 2. What did I multiply x minus 2 by to get to this denominator? I multiplied it by x plus 1. So to make sure this remains an equivalent fraction to this one, I haven't changed the value. I need to also multiply the top by x plus 1. Now that I have common denominators, I can add these two fractions together. So I get 2 lots of x minus 2 plus 1 lot of x plus 1 over x plus 1 times by x minus 2. Similarly to if I had something like 4/3 plus 5/3, that would be equal to 9/3, using the same process there. And now simplifying this up, expanding the top, I've got 2x minus 4 plus x plus 1. I'm going to leave the bottom factorized for now. It's useful to leave it factorized because sometimes you might be able to do some cancelling. 2x plus x is 3x, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. And maybe I want to factorize that numerator again now that it's simplified to 3x minus 1. And at that point, I am fully simplified. For the second one, same process. What is my common denominator? It is going to be x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. I had to multiply the denominator by 2x plus 1, so I have to multiply the numerator by 2x plus 1. I multiplied the denominator by x minus 3, so I multiply the numerator by x minus 3. Combine into a single fraction, so 5, 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 3 over x minus 3, 2x plus 1. Expand, 10x plus 5 plus 3x minus 9. Simplify, 13x minus 4 over x minus 3, 2x plus 1. And this time I can't factorize the numerator, so I can't simplify this any further, so I stop there. Continuing with the next two. What is my common denominator? So this is where it becomes a bit more interesting about how we choose our common denominator. I could do x plus 2 cubed, but I don't need to. The lowest common denominator of these two is going to be x plus 2 squared, because I can multiply this by x plus 2 to get x plus 2 squared, and this is already x plus 2 squared. I multiplied the denominator by x plus 2, so I have to multiply the numerator by x plus 2. This one, I haven't had to multiply it by anything, I already had that, so it stays as it is. Combining, now that they have the same denominator, I have 4x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2 squared. Expand is 4x plus 8 plus 1 over x plus 2 squared, which is 4x plus 9 over x plus 2 all squared. And then finally for part D, again we need to carefully choose our denominator here for each of these fractions. Now, we could multiply all three of them, but that would be overkill. We don't need to do quite all of that, because this x plus 4 and this x plus 4 squared, actually, the x plus 4 is taken into account here. The common denominator is going to be x minus 1 times x plus 4 squared. That takes into account all of the denominators. X minus 1, x plus 4 squared, x minus 1, x plus 4 squared. We multiplied the denominator by x plus 4 squared, so we multiplied the numerator by x plus 4 squared. We multiplied the numerator by x minus 1, x plus 4, so we multiply the top by both as well. We multiplied the denominator by x minus 1, so we multiply the numerator by x minus 1. Combining into a single fraction, we're going to have x plus 4 squared plus 3x minus 1 x plus 4 plus 2x minus 1 all over x minus 1 x plus 4 squared. Expanding, we're going to get x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus 3x squared. We end up with plus 3x, so plus 9x minus 12 plus 2x minus 2 all over x minus 1 x plus 4 squared. Simplifying this, we get 4x squared, 8x plus 9x plus 2x is plus 19x, and 16 minus 12 minus 2 is plus 2. And we look to see if we could possibly factorize the top, but it doesn't look like it's going to factorize, so we will leave it there.